Fall is in the air, and what better way to celebrate than with some sweet and crunchy popcorn bars? Today, we're making gooey, marshmallowy autumn popcorn bars that are perfect for snacking or sharing. Let's start by popping our popcorn. Great food starts with quality ingredients, so we're using these baby white popcorn kernels from Dell Cove spices. Add a bit of oil and a few kernels to the pot. Once those pop, you know the oil is ready for the rest of the kernels. Add in the rest of your kernels and a pinch of salt, cover, and keep shaking the pot until the popping slows down. Once it's all popped, transfer your popcorn to a large bowl and set it aside. Now, let's get to the gooey goodness. In a separate pot, melt some butter and stir in your marshmallows with a pinch of salt. Keep it on low heat and stir until it's fully melted. Now, fold in your popped popcorn and toss in half of your autumn sprinkles. Stir until every piece of popcorn is coated in that marshmallow magic. Press the mixture into a parchment-lined baking dish. Then, let it set for about 15 minutes. Once it's set, carefully lift the popcorn block out of the dish and cut it into bars. Now, the fun part. Melt your chocolate chips, then drizzle half the bars with semi-sweet chocolate and the other half with white chocolate. Then finish them off with the rest of your autumn sprinkles. Look how cute! These autumn popcorn bars are sweet, crunchy, and the perfect fall treat. Enjoy them with friends and family, or keep them all for yourself. I promise I won't talk. Happy snacking! For more recipes, gourmet popcorn kernels, seasonings, and more, check out dellcovespices.com.